Much like keyboards have surged in popularity for their tactile feedback, durable build, and style, beer koozies have become a must-have for anyone who enjoys a cold drink and wants it to stay that way. This guide reviews 5 of the best beer koozies, evaluating material quality, insulation performance. List 1. Tahoebay blank beer can cooler sleeves, 50-pack. Bulk sublimation blanks for vinyl plain, collapsible foam can coolers. If you're hosting a big party, wedding, or event, or even starting a custom koozie business, the Tahoebay blank beer can cooler sleeves are a fantastic choice. This bulk 50-pack of plain foam koozies is ideal for DIY designs, sublimation printing, or vinyl heat transfers. They're collapsible for easy storage and lightweight enough to carry anywhere. While they don't insulate as effectively as premium stainless steel options, they're inexpensive, versatile, and perfect for personalizing to match any occasion. List 2. BrüMate Hopsillator Slim Can Cooler, insulated for 12-ounce slim cans. Skinny can insulated stainless steel drink holder for hard seltzer. For fans of slim 12-ounce cans, like hard seltzers or energy drinks, the BrüMate Hopsillator Slim is a stylish and highly effective option. Crafted from double-walled stainless steel with a special copper lining, it keeps your drink up to 20 times colder than a standard neoprene sleeve. Its push-lock gasket ensures a snug fit and the exterior stays condensation-free, keeping your hands dry. List 3. BrüMate Hopsillator Bottle Insulated Bottle Cooler for standard 12-ounce glass bottles. Glass bottle insulated holder. If glass bottles are your drink of choice, the BrüMate Hopsillator bottle is the go-to option. Designed specifically for standard 12-ounce glass bottles, this cooler wraps your bottle in triple insulated stainless steel, keeping it ice cold for hours. The easy-to-use lid and rubberized base enhance its functionality, while its chic design makes it a standout at any gathering. Like all BrüMate products, List number simple modern standard can cooler for beer, soda, sparkling water. Vacuum insulated stainless steel drink holder. The simple modern standard can cooler combines affordability and premium performance. Made of durable stainless steel with double-wall vacuum insulation, it fits most standard 12-ounce cans, from beer to soda and sparkling water. The silicone gasket ensures a secure hold, while the sweat-free design keeps your hands comfortable. It comes in an array of stylish colors and patterns, making it a perfect gift or personal accessory. List number 5. 3-in-1 Slim Can Cooler for 12-ounce skinny can, regular can, and beer bottle. Keep cold for 6 hours. Double-walled insulated stainless steel. For maximum versatility, this 3-in-1 koozie is hard to beat. Compatible with slim cans, regular cans, and 12-ounce bottles, it adapts to your beverage of choice effortlessly. The double-walled stainless steel insulation keeps drinks cold for up to 6 hours, and the interchangeable lid ensures a snug fit no matter what you're sipping. Its clever design means you only need one koozie for almost any occasion.